Hey, I'm Mr. Pat, and today we are back with another incredible restoration right here at Pakistan AutoTechnics, where we bring beat-up vehicles back to life from scratch. Now, take a look at what just rolled into our workshop. This is a classic Toyota Land Cruiser Prado 4x4, a legendary machine, but as you can see, the rear quarter panel on the driver's side is absolutely destroyed. We're talking severe rust, peeling paint, burnt and corroded metal, and structural damage all the way down to the rocker panel. This isn't just cosmetic damage, this thing needs serious metalwork. Look at this, the entire lower quarter panel is eaten through by rust. The paint has completely peeled away, the metal is warped and cracked, and near the fuel filler area, there are holes going right through. This is years of neglect and moisture damage. But don't worry, our team has seen worse and we know exactly how to fix it. Now here's where the real craft begins. Our skilled metalworkers take a fresh sheet of steel and start shaping it by hand. They're using hammers, pliers, and forming tools, laying it flat on the ground and carefully bending it to match the contours of the original panel. This is old-school bodywork, no fancy CNC machines, just skill, experience, and hard work. The metal is being refined, edges are trimmed, the bends are checked repeatedly for accuracy. You can see both the senior craftsman and his apprentice working together, measuring and adjusting the piece to make sure every curve lines up perfectly with the Prado's body lines. Precision is everything here. Now it's time to get this panel onto the car. The team gets down low and starts welding the newly fabricated metal piece directly onto the vehicle's frame. You can see the sparks flying as the welder tacks the panel into place, fusing it to the existing bodywork. The rust-damaged sections are being cut out and replaced, section by section. And just like that, day turns to night, but the work doesn't stop at Pakistan AutoTechnics. The team is still grinding and fitting the new panel under workshop lights, making sure the fresh metal is properly seated along the full length of the rocker panel and rear quarter. That dedication right there is what separates a quality repair from a quick fix. The new lower panel is now on the car and being pressed and aligned by hand. You can clearly see the fresh bare steel replacing all that destroyed rusty metal. The Prado is starting to look like itself again, that solid, boxy silhouette coming back into shape. And here's the big picture. The Prado is fully stripped down, bonnet open, panels off, ready for the next phase of its restoration. The hard work of the metalwork and panel fabrication is done. From here, it'll go through surface prep, filler, primer, and eventually a full respray. This Prado is on its way back. That's it for today's video. Guys, if you want to see the full transformation of this Land Cruiser Prado, make sure you like this video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next episode. You can also find us on Instagram and Facebook at Pakistan AutoTechnics or visit us at PakistanAutoTechnics.com. Got a car that needs some love? Give us a call. We'll bring it back to life. See you in the next one.